From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Here is Hurricane Nigel, what's left of it. Still a hurricane, but it's going to continue to weaken and kind of lose its tropical characteristics over the weekend. We're also following this area coming off the African coast, basically in the eastern Atlantic. Hurricane Center gives that a high chance of further development. And a little bit closer to home, we're watching this area. We're expecting a low pressure system to continue to develop. As of right now, it looks like it'll probably become subtropical, not a full tropical storm, but at least at this point, it looks like the impacts to South Carolina and North Carolina basically going to be the same. But we'll pick things up this afternoon. Notice we've got the clouds across the Midlands and the Palmetto State. You see the clouds kind of pushing into parts of the coastal region of the Carolinas. And then as we look ahead towards tomorrow morning, you see that rain starting to move in. You kind of see that spin in the atmosphere. And rain kind of moving into at least maybe the eastern part of the Midlands. And then as we get into late Friday, some of that rain may kind of slide into possibly the central half of the Midlands. But for the most part, it looks like the rain stays east of I-77 and I-26, at least at this point. This is early Saturday morning as that low continues to lift generally towards the north and east. Our clouds will start to decrease. Should see a lot of sunshine, it looks like, on Saturday, although probably still a bit breezy at times Saturday afternoon. For today, the clouds will kind of build in, so we'll call it partly to maybe even mostly cloudy skies this afternoon and this evening and tonight. Here we are Friday morning. Those clouds continue to kind of stream in along with the moisture. Here comes that rain into at least the eastern part of the Palmetto State. You see that shower activity kind of sliding into the eastern part of the Midlands. This would be 7 o'clock Friday evening. Some of that, once again, may move into at least the eastern part of Richland County, maybe even Fairfield County. Some of it may slide a little farther west. As of right now, just mentioned, it looks like most of it's basically east of I-77 and I-26. Early Saturday morning, by the time most of us wake up, it's all out of here. Clouds start to kind of erode away, but once again, still pretty breezy, it looks like, for your Saturday. As far as rainfall amounts are concerned, this is our in-house model showing high amounts of rain over towards the PD and the Grand Strand. I wouldn't get too caught up on these totals here, but no, there is that potential for some heavy rain, especially over in the PD and the Grand Strand. That's where the highest risk for excessive rainfall is, in that yellow area. Part of the Midlands under a marginal risk for excessive rainfall, basically the area that we are expecting the showers to kind of move through. Here's the model comparison for Friday. This would be 6 o'clock. You notice the European model showing some shower activity for extreme eastern parts of South Carolina. American model showing things basically dry at 6 o'clock. So we'll continue to kind of monitor the system as it develops. We're also going to have some breezy conditions. This is Friday morning, so tomorrow morning, notice those winds picking up, especially along the coastal region of South Carolina, probably getting a little bit stronger as we get into the afternoon hours. Even here in the Midlands, have some gusty winds there. The system continues to lift towards the north. As it does, the winds will probably still be a little bit brisk at times, even as we go into Saturday. As far as our pollen forecast is concerned, hate to be talking about pollen in the fall, but it's still causing many people some seasonal allergy issues. It's ragweed and grasses at this point. Weather-wise, pretty good weather so far this week. 84 degrees both Tuesday and yesterday. Will probably be a degree or two cooler than that today as the clouds kind of stream in. So clouds will be on the increase. The lows tonight dropping down into the, we'll say, low to mid 60s. This is what we're kind of looking at for Saturday if you're heading to the upstate, as the Seminoles come to Clemson Memorial Stadium. 12 o'clock kickoff. 75 degrees, mainly sunny skies. A little bit of a breeze coming out of the north at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Maybe a bit breezy for Mississippi State and Carolina. Kickoff for that one, 7:30, but looks like both Clemson and Carolina should be dry this weekend as that low lifts on out of here. For today, low 80s for highs, upper 70s to near 80 both Friday and Saturday. Fall equinox is Saturday, and then a lot of sunshine on Sunday. The coastal forecast, pretty unsettled with that rain kind of moving in, it looks like, on Thursday, later today, matter of fact. Showers tomorrow, and maybe some showers kind of lingering early on Saturday. Upstate forecast basically dry until you get to Tuesday, maybe even a stray shower on Wednesday. Looking ahead, our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, Warmer than normal conditions expected for the last few days of September, even as we go into the beginning of October.